Hey y'all, Happy New Year. I haven't seen you since we had our little soiree for the new year, but Happy New Year. I hope you are feeling beautiful and feeling blessed for the year 2023. So, having said that, guess whose birthday it is? Mine. I have a birthday right after New Year's. So I'm pretty much a New Year baby, but that's a whole nother thing. I have a chocolate cake with a coconut frosting that I want for my birthday. I had this cake at a local restaurant here, and I thought I'd replicate it, but I'm using the chocolate cake recipe from Divas Can Cook, and I'll link that below. So let's get my new apron on. Thank you, Lucindia, for my new apron. And let's get to baking. So here are the ingredients we'll be using. I'll include the recipe from Divas Can Cook and the link to the website in the description box below. In my mixing bowl, I have my granulated sugar measured out, to which I will add my brown sugar and my oil, and we'll mix these three ingredients together. Now, as the oil and sugars begin to blend, I'll begin to add my eggs one at a time and whip them slightly after each addition. After adding the eggs, you'll notice that the texture of the sugar combination changes. At this time, I'll go ahead and scrape down my bowl for the very first time. I had already prepared 1.5 cups of coffee, just black coffee, and to that I'll add the 2 teaspoons of vanilla. At this time, I'm going to add all of the wet ingredients together. Now that this is mixed, I will go ahead and add the dry ingredients. I was so excited about making this cake, I didn't even think about putting my dry ingredients all in one bowl and sifting them together. So that's what I suggest you do. Sift all of your dry ingredients together. It didn't have a negative impact on my cake, but it certainly would have made life a whole lot easier. This recipe makes for a very wet batter. I was surprised by it, but you'll see the cake in the end. In reading the recipe on the Divas Can Cook website, I actually saw that she had indicated that she put about 2 cups of batter in each of her cake pans, and that's about what I have in mind. Now, because I have dark and heavy cake pans, I am going to decrease the temperature setting on my oven to 315 degrees. The recipe calls for 325 degree Fahrenheit setting. But the cakes came out beautifully. I am so pleased. Okay, so while the cakes are cooling, I'm going to go ahead and mix together the frosting. I'll start by creaming 2 blocks of cream cheese and 1 stick of butter that has been softened, just to get them combined. To that, I'll add 2 cups of powdered sugar, vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and about 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. You'll notice that my heavy whipping cream is still kind of frozen, but it will still serve the same purpose. I'm going to mix this until I whip enough air in it to increase the volume. That whipping cream will help that happen. Now I'll add about 1/2 cup of sweetened coconut. Coconut is flying everywhere. But I'm going to mix this for another 30 seconds or so to incorporate that coconut well. Now that the frosting is done, I can put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to chill. I'm trying to get a good proportion of icing to cake. Since these layers are about 2 inches thick, I'm putting a little bit more icing than I normally would, just to accommodate for the amount of cake that I have. Now let's speed this process up just a little bit. Now I'm going to press some coconut right into the side of the cake. I'm not putting it on the top. I may write something on the top, but I'm too old for all that. So I think I'm going to just leave it and have the coconut on the sides. I probably should have put some dowels in there to kind of hold it straight because he's leaning a little bit, but I don't care. It's my birthday. Thank you. So there she is, all done with my chocolate coconut cake, a chocolate coconut birthday cake. So now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator so that it can set up very nicely before I cut it. Okay, y'all, so my cake is done. I frosted it, I put my coconut on it, and I put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. Because, with that frosting, you gotta let it chill. So, let's cut the cake. You ready? Come on, you get in here. You got it? Okay, let me taste it. This cake was so good. It looks like I was having a prayer of gratitude right here. Just what the doctor ordered. Happy birthday to me. Thank y'all so much for joining me on my birthday, for my birthday celebration. Y'all have a happy new year, and I'll see you in the next video. Be blessed. Bye. I pray that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe if you haven't done so. Like, comment, and y'all be blessed. Bye.